How to change the alarm sound on an Android phone. First of all, you need to launch the clock app on your device. So, for a demo purpose, let me set alarm for 6:25 a.m. Toggle the button on, or simply you can tap the plus button at bottom center of this alarm section, and you can easily modify any time from here. And then from this section only you can easily change the sound for your alarm, or you can simply choose any ringtone for your alarm. For that you can select ringtone, and currently it has been set to delight. You can choose from Spotify, or you can also select from your own device like the music or recordings, or else you can also choose any alarm sound from your system ringtones. So let us choose is Realme. Here you can enter the name of your alarm as well. If you wish your alarm to vibrate, you can toggle the button on. You can select snooze and set the time interval for a snooze. Suppose let's say 5 minutes and times 2. And you can toggle the button on for a snooze. Now you can tap the down button at top right corner, and your alarm has already been set and you have successfully changed the alarm sound on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.